Plant kingdom. What are the plants? The eukaryotic organism which contain chlorophylls called plants. Eukaryotic organisms which contain chlorophyll called plants. General features of plant. Eukaryotic, multicellular, photosynthetic organism are plants. So for the photosynthesis need chlorophyll. So contain chlorophyll. Due to the presence of the chlorophyll, now plants will be the autotrophs. But in exception, here are some plants are heterotrophic. Difference between autotrophs and heterotrophs, who are capable to make their own food called autotrophs and unable to make their own food called heterotrophs. Some plants are included in heterotrophs. For example, heterotrophic plants are example Venus flytrap, it is insectivorous plant. Cuscuta is example of parasitic plant. So some plants, Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, these are the insectivorous plant. Cuscuta, also known as amarvale, comes under the parasitic plant. In plants, cell wall made up of plant cells contain this is the cell wall of plant cell. So this cell wall made up of cellulose. So cell wall made of cellulose and hemicellulose also. Plant, so in the life cycle of plant life cycle completed in two phase. These two phases are sporophytic phase and next one is gametophytic phase. Sporophytic phase is diploid. Here spores formation happens. Gametophytic phase, gamete form. These gametes will be haploid and spores will be diploid. Now come to the systems of classification on which plants divided into different groups. 5 major groups are algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperm and angiosperm. What are the basis of this classification of the plant kingdom into these divisions and subdivisions? Three systems of classification: artificial system of classification, natural system of classification, and phylogenetic system of classification are the basis of classification of plants into these groups. So, system of classification of plant kingdom, systems of classification. First system of classification is artificial system or artificial classification system. Next one is natural system of classification and third one is phylogenetic classification system. Now come to the artificial system. Artificial system given by Carolus Linnaeus. Basis of this classification is external features of plants. For example, in which type of habitats plants found, number, size, color, shape of, for example, color of the flower, size of the plant, numbers of the petals, sepals, like that, and shape of, for example, shapes of leaves. So on the basis of external features, this artificial system of classification given by Aristotle and Linnaeus. In this system, vegetative and sexual features given the same weightage for both the vegetative features and sexual features, given the same equal weightage of these features of the plants, equal weightage, vegetative features and sexual features given same weightage, but vegetative features changes according to the environment. According to the environment, vegetative features change. So, this system is fully depend on the vegetative features. In artificial system of classification, closely related organisms or plants, due to some differences, kept in different groups. Very closely related species kept in different groups. So this is the drawback of this artificial system of classification. Now come to the natural system of classification given by this system of classification given by Bentham and Hooker. Basis of classification of natural system of classification is external and internal features of plant. For example, In the external features of plant will be here morphology. In the external feature, morphology means which type of what habitat grows, number, size and color and shape of the plant. So included in the morphology. In this system, anatomy, cytology, embryology and phytochemistry included in internal features. Anatomy, what are the pattern of the arrangement of the tissues, cells, complex or simpler one. So in the anatomy, internal structure, cytology, cell structure, embryology, cell types, embryology, embryonic development, phytochemistry, chemical composition of the plant. Now come to the phylogenetic classification of system. This system given by Engler and Prandtl. Basis of this classification is evolutionary relationship. Relationship between the organism who belongs to same taxa will be the common ancestors according to this phylogenetic classification. Here, basis of classification are fossils, this is the phylogenetic classification system are most acceptable, and on the basis of these three system, artificial, natural and phylogenetic system of phylogenetic classification system, plant kingdoms, these three systems included in the classification of plant kingdom into algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, angiosperm and gymnosperm. These three are the basis of classification: external features, external and internal features, and evolutionary basis on where they evolve, and from the simpler to complex one, how they change, are the basis of classification of plant kingdom. So I hope you understand this topic, today's topic. If you have any questions, you must write in my comment box. Thank you. Kata हुआ